Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be revealing to you guys my new car that's going to be on the channel that we're going to be working on and driving and doing whatever else too. So before we get into it, let's roll the intro. Definitely lots of cleaning to do. Obviously stick shift, but there's something very unique about this car besides having to clean it up and do whatever else to it. So let's just pull it out into the open so I can show you guys exactly what it is. Turn it on, and now commence beauty shots. Trust me guys, I know what you're thinking. You're like, what the hell is this thing? But honestly, I can't really remember what year it is, but it is a probably some mid 90s or 96, 97 Corolla wagon. What I mean by wagon is like that long bubble back style of car. And just a little backstory, this car belonged to my friend before he gave it to me. And what he decided to do one day is he came outside and he said, you know, you think we should cut the back off of this car? And me being the very, I guess, enthusiastic or creative person I am, I was like, where the hell is the saw? And we just cut the back off of it, and he did all the fabrication work to create, you know, these back glass out of plexi and the back glass that is behind us. So he did all the structural stuff to it, and he also painted it. If you notice that this is the same color as what the Mustang was. So what really makes this car special is not just the way that it's cut, but it doesn't have a, I wouldn't say normal, doesn't have a normal Corolla engine in it. It has the 4AGE silver top, and also the 5-speed gearbox, and is a very lightweight and fun car to drive. And obviously it has the Super AFC in it, so you can tune the fuel. Also has a wideband so you can watch what the car is doing. Definitely a lot of cleaning to do. I just didn't have much time to do it, but after this video I'm gonna clean up and try to correct a lot of the issues with the car. But basically this is extremely, like a, I don't know how to explain it really, but it's like a driver's car. This is extremely fun to drive. Just one of the gears grinds in the box, and other than that, you know, it's fine. Second gear, if you speed shift, like really ring it, it'll grind. But let me give you guys some shots of under the hood. Reason why I'm not recording any voice stuff outside is it's very windy. So I get you a shot of that tree. Very windy outside, so I don't want to give you guys any crappy audio quality. So I'm gonna do most of the talking in here while, you know, providing a lot of B-roll, which is beauty shots of the car. So I'm gonna pop the hood now. This is the 4AGE, but it has ITBs, individual throttle bodies. So let's get some pictures or video of under the hood, and then we're gonna take this thing for a test drive, and that'll be it for me revealing this car to you guys. So after watching those clips, I think it's needless to say that this car is running very well, guys. It just needs a lot of small things to be fixed or tweaked. One of them is the air to fuel ratio gauge. I'm going to be taking the gauge out of the Marauder, which is an AEM gauge, and putting it in so we can verify what we're reading on this gauge is precise instead of using a cheap one. Also, like mounting the computer, finishing up some wiring for the fuel pump, because we just got to get in here nice and cleaned up. So hopefully by the next video I should have everything done on it. Brakes need to bleed, stuff like that. Very small things, guys. But yeah, this is the new car that is going to be on the channel. I'm not really sure what we're going to be doing with it yet, but thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.